Right on. Good. Okay, we'll take off. At the traffic sign, we'll make a right turn. We'll go back into the drive test center. That was quick. So we'll reverse park, just on this side of this car, I guess. Okay, and we'll go find a space down here to do the forward parking. Any space you want, doesn't matter. Okay, just give me 1 second here. Okay. So how do you think you did? Think you passed?
Probably.
Yeah, you did. One thing though, be very, very careful about your speed on LaSalle.
Okay.
Yeah, so both ways actually. When you went towards those lights to the graveyard, you were going like 58, 60 in a 50 zone.
Okay.
That could work against you. So just a warning. So they'll give you like 5 seconds to notice that you're going over the speed limit and to bring it back down again.